Connect 3 black wires to new switch. I want to replace my old switch with a Wi-Fi switch. The old switch has only 3 wires attached, and in the box there is a bunch of white wires together and a copper wire capped off. The new Wi-Fi switch is looking for a load, line, neutral and ground. How do I convert the old wires to the new ones? Attached is the old switch box. Question from user RDs at Stack Exchange. Answer: the line wires are the 2 black wires going into the bottom of your old switch. Cut, strip and connect those to the line wire from your smart switch with a wire nut. The load wire is the one going into the top of your old switch. Remove it and connect it to the load wire from your smart switch with a wire nut. The white wire from your smart switch gets connected to the group of white wires with the red wire nut. The green wire from your smart switch gets connected to the caped copper wire in the box. Answer from user Jack at Stack Exchange.